We gotta look out for one another. I feel the same way, man. Nothing and no one will ever come between you and me. Never. Right? I love you, man. I love you too, man.
Alright guys, it's a big rumor and a big fallacy that the Demon cannot road race. At this Mod the Fame Fest event, they were able to clear the track off and set it up for us to road race. So I got to road race a lot of fast cars. Well, I had an opportunity to road race against the Lamborghini. Guys, I gotta be honest with you, I'm at a disadvantage. We all know that the Lamborghini is a bullet. It's aerodynamically designed, and that's where it really shines at.
Demonology is going to race Will Motivation, and he asked for a slight advantage. He asked for some NOS.
Turn left in 200 yards and then immediately keep left.
So I'm going to get him his NOS real quick.
Here, Stewie, try this.
Yeah, what the hell are you doing? Whoa! Oh my! Suddenly I'm full of energy. All right, fat man, let's do this!
Wow, Stewie, you look like a new man.
Well, will you look at me?
Yeah, I think G-Money definitely knows something. Yeah, G-Money knows something. You f***ed up. You f***ed up big time. You're incapable of running this shit. Sit your $5 ass down before I make change.
Alright guys, on July the 21st, I'm going to be at Morocco, Indiana, in the Midwest at the YouTuber Speed Fest. I'm going to be there racing someone else's Dodge Demon. If you want to come out and enjoy the festivities, I'm going to be putting on a clinic on how to set up and race your Dodge Demon. Make sure to set your calendar for that date. You know what I'm doing, snatching souls. Peace. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.
Like I've been busy going all out, and I'm telling everybody I'ma get it now. Everybody gonna bow down, 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 down.